we are back with a cooking movie. And why? Because the new Zorbas oil is ready. You can order. It is the oil from last year, the new one, fresh in the tin. And I'm gonna give you today a fantastic recipe. Courgette pancakes. It's easy, it's cheap, it's healthy. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So, action. Here we got the courgette. I cut the top off and then take the big side and there it goes. Look at that. I made already a few before, so don't hold you up too long for this video. Here, look. Here I got the other courgettes. I put them together. Yes, and a little bit of salt I put already over the top. Because for 90% these courgettes are water. So we need to squeeze some water out. I take a tea towel. I put my courgette mixture in. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing, eh? Okay. Well, look. I close the towel and I squeeze it very well. Look at that. And the juice is dripping out. Look. So, hoppa. And here we go. You can also do this in the sink, eh? If you don't want to use a towel. So, I put the courgettes back. Here we go. And now is the trick. I get an onion. And I make the onion nice and small. Look at this. The best one is to have a red onion. But they were not ready. So, we're gonna use this one. It's fine also, white onion. They're quite tasty here, eh? Oh, what a flavor. This is amazing. Hoppa. And I get another one. Hop. Onions are ready to get in the mixture. So, here we go. I mix the onion with the courgette for the zucchini pancakes and a little bit of oregano. Okay, we have fresh. If you don't have fresh, you just use some dry oregano. Just a spoon, not more. And that's all you need. Here we go. So, I mix it. And I mix it now. So, now I got this beautiful mix. A little bit of extra salt. It can use it. A little bit of pepper. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And flour. Well, royal with the flour. And later we will be royal with the oil. And I put the eggs in. Yeah, it is so easy. Everybody can surprise with this. It is such a nice recipe. 2 eggs, you know what I do? I make it 3. And then I'm gonna mix it. Okay, dirty hands are coming. So, with the flour, I make a good mixture. So, look at this. Oh, this is so tasty. This is fantastic. Right. I'm gonna light my fire and I'm back on you in a minute. Yes? Okay, I'm back with the new Zorbas olive oil. So, be royal with the, oh what a color, this is amazing. Oh, we have always nice oil, but this year it is the best of the best. I show you one more time and I keep on cooking. Don't cook too hot with this oil. Okay, I get to my mixture again. I need a little bit more flour. It needs to be sticky because we're making courgette pancakes. Yes? Okay, a little bit more flour. And there we go. Oh, this looks fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. Like. Now, here I have a little bowl. So, still, now it's nearly there. It's nearly there. And now I'm going to show you a trick. I put my hands in some water. Yes. I clean my hands and I make sure that my hands, oh yeah, look, oh, gymnastics. I make sure that my hands are a little bit wet. Look. And now I'm going to make this beautiful, nice pancakes. Yeah, here we go. That's the first. It's in. And by each 2, no, I need some water. Yes, otherwise you don't get a nice round. Yes, here we go. Oh, they're in. This is delicious. A little bit more water. So, okay. They like small pancakes. Yes. And here we go. In the fire. In the oil. What for oil? Zorbas oil. So, okay, look at that. Oh, this is so tasty. I can't wait. Right. I just make a few now. And then later on the guests at Zorbas gonna eat them as well. And it's gonna be for us a new recipe this year. Also with the Zorbas cooking workshops. So, okay. Just let it go. Now, I wash my hands again and I do some gymnastics. So, here we are. Okay. I had a spatula. And now, look at this. And I push it a little bit. Yes? How nice. This is going amazing. Right. I let the fire go and I come back on you very soon. Okay. Right. They're going fantastic. I'm gonna turn the first pancakes. Look at that. This is fantastic. And the smell. Oh, this is very good. Nice and brown and crispy. Yes. Here we go. Look at this. It is also, if you use quality oil, this goes much more easy. Right. In the meanwhile, I let them go slowly. I'm gonna make the sauce. This is very easy. This is really just something. I take just a little bowl. I get a little bit of Greek yogurt and I get a garlic inside. I got it ready on the small side. Here we go. Just a little piece of garlic. Where are we? It was here. Good. Okay. Chop my garlic and it's ready. I put the garlic in the butter, in the yogurt, and you get some greens. This is so nice. Look at this. The greens are just for the decoration. Peterselie. Look at this. And then the trick is, of course, some Zorbas oil, not too royal, with the oil, and then I make my sauce. So, yes, just yogurt, Greek yogurt, garlic, Zorbas olive oil, and a little bit of green, just for the view. Dill is also very nice in it. Right, I'm gonna see how far my cookies are. Yes, they're nearly ready. My little pancakes. Oh, look at that, look at that. This is amazing. This is so tasty, this is delicious. And it don't cost you any time. And it's very cheap to make. Right, here we go. I get the first one out. So, look at that. Close this so. Look. This is how it looks like. A pancake from the courgette. Now, then you get your yogurt and you put it over the top. Look at this. Oh, you have never eaten such a healthy pancake. Look, this is fantastic, isn't it? I'm gonna try this. My oh my! What a flavor. Gonna make this and be royal with the oil. Keep on cooking. We're back on you very soon. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. I say to everybody, bye bye. Hello, I want to give you some advice about cooking with Zorbas oil. Olive oil is not like wine. After a while, after 2-3 years, the taste is going down. It don't get better. So use it in 2 years and be royal with the oil. Also, don't put it in the sun because the tin gets too hot. Also, don't put it next to the gas stove because it gets too hot. Keep it dark on room temperature. Then you always have fun with Zorbas olive oil. Keep on cooking and royal with the oil.